What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We back at it again with another banger. This time, it is not a month later. It is a week later or less. Anyways, round of applause for me on that one. Make sure you like it just because of that. But anyways, we out here, fam. We're out here at ATL, season closure, clean culture meet. And you got to give a round of applause to my bro. His first actual show for his Subaru. And you already know we out here selling the Hot Wheels, what my little brother is. So we trying to make this money, you feel me? But we're about to go check out some whips and cars and all that good stuff. There's gonna be drifting, two-step, and limbo apparently. We may try to fit all that in. It could be a part 2 on this, but let's get it. And for the star of the show, starting off will be my brother's Subaru WRX. Dang, looking clean. We out here with it. And then the Hot Wheels, you already know what's up. Look at them. In the back, straight chilling. But y'all gotta say what's up to the YouTube. Got that little food truck. All the whips, the dog. Yep. Anyways, as you guys can see, it's a little bit early. The show hasn't fully started, but it's gonna get lit. From what the eye can see, there's cars for days. There's my sister walking that way. What up, G? But yeah, some clean cars out here today, fam. And it's a beautiful day. Sun shining. But yeah, cars for days, and I'll show y'all where they're drifting at. BMWs and stuff. Miata. Dang, clean. The Viper over there. Sick. More cars over there. Show materials. Gotta go check at least a few of these out. But everything clean so far. Got this homie GTI R32, that boy clean. The FRS homie looking good. Subaru looking good. Dang, nice. Oh dang, look at that minivan over there. That minivan hot. Gotta go check it out. This thing clean, it's cool as a mug. Little Toyota. This thing's nice. Dang, clean little setup. I dig it. There's a nice Integra. Shoo, I think he's K-swap too. Got some T's on it. Looking clean in the homie's SI. Looking good. Let's check it out real quick. It's a little shaky. Got the little cutoff on the bumper. Clean, homie. Let's see. Got Ricardo's as well. Nice. Got R888Rs. Tires I wanted to get on mine. Dang, is it too bright? Maybe it's just that white car. Alright, tone it down a little bit. All these white cars are shining a little too much. But the boy's clean out here. That Mustang over there is midnight purple. That thing is beautiful. Let's go check it out. Look at this. This midnight purple is absolutely beautiful. It's a Cobra as well. And I think it's airbagged. This thing's clean too. This red one, beautiful. Got a nice little lineup over here. More business. Looking good out here. This thing's clean too. Red, I love red, so you already know what's up. Oh yeah, this guy right here. Look at it, he's got carbon flares. You guys can see that. Back as well. This thing is super sick though. I don't even like these type of cars. That's because I can't afford it. This thing is cool. It's a 92, 110,000 miles. This thing is beautiful. Got these weird canards, but it looks clean. Got some work wheels. Beautiful interior. This thing, spoke to the guy for a few minutes. Dope guy. But set up strong out here. GTR over there. And then you see that? All the way down there. And there's like another row over there. GTR looking clean. With Lexus. Subaru. Dang, this Mustang's pretty nice though. I think it looks probably airbags or something. Look at the tires though. Got some meat on this thing. Carbon fenders. Nice, my dog. Clean. I dig it. Got this clean Z out here. That thing is beautiful. Some Sparko seats. Dang, that thing is clean setup. Oof. Dang, all up in y'all's way.
No, you're fine.
This thing is beautiful though. Got a wheel woods, brakes, and everything. Clean. And just so you guys can see, that is the track they'll be drifting on. And there were some few drifters before, but at the moment there is not any, as you can tell. But this is where the drift set's gonna be. One of the homies said he possibly got me a ride along with one of the drift cars, so that's gonna be dope. I just need a helmet, and pretty dope. I appreciate it, bro. The homie here in the GTR, this thing clean. It's looking good with the wheels and everything.
Traffic like out the box.
But this homie here, he said he possibly got me a ride along, and that's gonna be freaking dope. Hopefully he did. We're gonna go out in the drift sesh and get it on. Beamer is sick, boy. Got the Turbskis. And this red one's sick too. It's like nice. Clean. This Civic Type R clean, boy. If them Evo wheels legit, that's expensive, my dog. Pretty sure they're like 3K wheels or something. I don't remember. But this thing is fly, I like it. Got this Tree 50Z with the width on these boys. That's at least $1 width. Sheesh. Look at that fitment on that thing though. Big booty, thick. Bumping out. It's about full now. A lot more people. This little thing's clean. This Volkswagen thing's sick. That wrap is pretty dope. Marlboro, dope. And then there's hatch. Let's see what kind of motor this thing has. It's a B18B, little LS squawk. That thing is clean, my dog. Nasty with bright seats and everything. Dang, super nasty. Dang, set up nice in the back too. Ooh, dang clean. Guess what I found? Good old lovely Teggy, baby, another Teggy. Dang, pretty sharp, boy. Got them fat fives on it. Dang, clean. Black interior, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Dang, 97 and below, maybe even 95. I like it. Firm, he's pushing 450 to the wheels. And he said, possibly, not him, but his friend said that to the next car show, possibly, this whole car will be the same color as his car that's there, the yellow. And that thing's gonna be pretty freaking dope. I wonder what else he's gonna do to it, but that's all it is for now. This thing is extremely clean. He tracks it, everything. This thing, that does absolutely great. Look at that Turbski. Mean. This guy said he was making about 3 something to the wheels. Got a little 2000 kind of look to it with the front bumper. Pretty clean though. I dig it. Another Teggy fam. This WRX is pretty clean too with the little I guess you could say wide body setup. I don't know what you guys want to classify it as, but this thing is pretty sick. The color combination is pretty dope. Carbon trunk, nice diffuser in the back. Look at that, stout, baby, stout. Clean though. So I think this guy, we ended up racing this guy in the Civic. Obviously the Civic's hella slow, so you know this guy smoked my crap, but I'm pretty sure it's him because I think he lives nearby where I do. That thing's quick, man. That thing looks so tiny too, and I think he's like gutted inside. I think he only has like the 2 front seats, so yeah, he was gonna beat me no problem. You know, the EM1 is the slowest. It probably has more torque, but that thing is the slowest one I had. But that thing it was quick. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that Spectator parking over there, that junk's about packed, my fam. Hey, get it in, fam! Got a whole bunch of set up. Yeah, fam, they getting reckless. You might not be able to hear me, but they out here getting it in. That is a little bit of drifting for you guys. Those, what is it, 5, 6 cars? I didn't even count them. Those things are getting it in, bros. Those guys are like pros, bro. They freaking kill it down this track. Marito tacos, fam. Majarito, you feel me? Got a quesadilla as well. Carbs and tacos, you feel me? Best combination there is. Or chicken wings and tacos. That's another plus, my friends. A little secret for you guys. Make sure you try that out. About to get you guys some more drifting from another angle. B&W going for the left one. Get it. There's Tree Fitty coming in hot. quite a bit of 350Zs, and BMWs just the ones out drifting, at least right now. But I think that might be the majority is 350Zs and BMWs. I guess they love them. I guess there might be good chassis. I don't know. You guys may know. Shoot. Put some details in the comments if you know why. You got the 240. Get it. Took it out. Charlie, bro. Come on, bro. That's 5 points. Minus 5 points. I don't know if he made him up. He made it up to point. Ooh. Hit the wall. That was dope. Nice. Ain't even gonna subtract points on that one. I'll add points. That's like about 5 points for hitting the wall. Could only imagine how it feels to hit that wall. Yeah, I don't know if you got like, if you get scared while you're drifting after hitting that wall, or if like them homies just like consistently rolling with a drilling, you know? I don't feel like they're gonna do the 2-step and the limo contest. People are loving the drifting, so y'all might not get to see that. Imagine living close by here. All day, all you hear is echoing of drifting. 2-step.